Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Hey, coming to you this evening just to let you know, hey, we've got a ton of things going on this coming weekend. 3 big events. One starts up in Jacksonville. Al's putting on the drive going to Flagler Beach and to the Martin restaurant, about a 4-decade-old restaurant. So last call, get in that drive. There's a meetup and then a drive to the restaurant. Kevin Tipton has a drive out in some of those curvy roads, famous curvy roads Kevin finds out in the middle of the state. The Beamers, Benz, and Brews Saturday morning. So get the RSVP in tomorrow for that, tonight for that, and jump on that bandwagon. And then finally down in Sarasota for Saturday, we have the Caffeine and Gasoline from 8 to 10. And then we're going to head over to Ceramic Pro for tours, some goodies, and lunch out at Ceramic Pro, just around the corner there in Sarasota. So see all the things going on. We got a bunch of stuff going on, getting ready to go on up in the Panhandle, down in throughout the area, picnics, car shows, all this good kind of stuff that's coming up. So want to get signed up for that down in the RSVPs down below. But here's what I want to talk about tonight, and I need to do a sort of shout out and call out for the we're getting ready to go set up our track day at the firm, and so I'm looking for certified instructors. We're putting together a novice class, intermediate, and advanced group, and so calling all instructors, BMW instructors, certified instructors, so that we can put together offer a field very broad for those folks. There'll be some incentives and things going on, but I need to know who's an instructor, who could be available in February of 2023 as we set up this car clinic at the firm up in North Florida. So hit me up, just send it in through our information, or you can use my email address right there on our website. Just scroll down, see my contact information. You can call me, text me, send smoke signals, pigeons, whatever you got to get the word to me that you're certified and you're willing to help out there. So trying to put this thing together so we can get the initial rollout done in just the next week or two. And then next week, here it is. We've been talking about it. Next week is the initial rollout for the Daytona Drive-On. November, the first Saturday in November. We'll head up on Friday, gather and probably do a dinner of some kind. We should have everything out. Look for the initial RSVP for the Daytona Drive-On, and then a week after that, you'll see the Sebring piece come out. So next week, not this Friday, not this Friday, but next Friday, you'll see the Daytona Drive-On RSVP initial. We don't know what the ticket price is going to be, but it's a pretty reasonable number. $30, $35, $25 to $35 is somewhere in that range is what it's been. So as soon as we get that information, we'll pass that along, but we need to get the RSVP list so we know how to plan. So look for that, get your name on the list. It should be a blast. Driving your car on the Daytona track. It'll be a blast. And then a month after that, we're taking everybody back to Sebring. I think this is our 9th or 10th year to go to Sebring. And so you'll get to drive 2 major southern tracks, sports car tracks in the same state within a month of each other. What a neat thing to put on your windshield, those little appliques of "I've been here, done that" kind of thing. You can tell everybody on Monday morning, hey, what did you do this weekend? Well, I drove Daytona. Well, I drove Sebring. So become the new star in the office or in the loading dock, wherever you work. So with that, as always, ton of things going on. These area governors are really working hard to get the events put out there for you. So make sure that you take a chance to get, or take an opportunity to get on board. Like I said, we've got all kind of stuff going up. Oh, I think I know about, there might be a poker run coming up somewhere up in the Jacksonville area in September. So go ahead and scroll down and take a look at that and get your name on the poker run as well. Lots of fun, lots of activities, a lot of things to do all over our state. Tallahassee, the Panhandle, Jacksonville, all the way down through cars and coffees, car shows. We've got a ton of stuff on the slate, so get off the sofa, get it clocked in, and we'll go have some good time. Hope to see you this weekend. I'm going to be at the Ceramic Pro tech outing this weekend. I'll be at the gasoline and caffeine and gasoline thing early Saturday morning. I think Mario Villar is going to go with me. We're going to run up to Sarasota and spend time there. And then we're going to go over and take in the Ceramic Pro deal. So hope to see you there. If I don't see you there, hope you're taking in one of the other events that we've got going on. And until then, happy motoring. See you, everybody. Thanks.